Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these amazing mystery dumpling toys that were sent to me from Smiley Sensory. The first one I have here is Golden Bao by Keycraft. There are 6 characters to collect, including a rare gold dumpling. Each one comes in this adorable bamboo steamer, so let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a super cute pink dumpling with a kawaii face. It feels really soft and it's very satisfying to squeeze. Next up is this mini sugar dumpling by Scrunchems. There are 5 characters to collect, including a rare glowing glitter dumpling. This one also comes with a bamboo steamer, so let's open it up and see what we find. Inside is an adorable green dumpling. It's super satisfying to squeeze and stretch, and it's slow rising too. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments which dumpling was your favourite, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!